Okay, let's go to the stage 2 questions. Okay, for the stage 2 questions, always the questions are a bit difficult. Okay, so I will do half for you. Go to question 2. Read the words. The slope of straight line passing through A, B, okay, these 2 points is minus 1 over 3. So find K. So how to write? You just write MAB equal to minus 1 over 3 first, okay? And then plug in. So if you plug the 5 and K here, okay, write these two, write the minus, and then here you have to write 2, 7, understand? It's be like this. It's okay? Yeah. So 5 minus 2 you can calculate to be 3. Before you do the cross, do some simple calculation first. And then do the cross, okay? 3 times 3 equal to the minus 1, okay? Times this. So it's 9 on the left hand side, minus K plus 7. So you can calculate the K, move to this side because become the positive, and then K equal to minus 2. That's it. Don't jump steps, okay? And then you have to write the M. Do not just write AB, okay? So this is question 2. Keep going. Let's go to question 4. So for the question 4, you see a straight line, right? And then 3 points P, Q, R on the same straight line, okay? It says that L has a slope minus 3 over 4. We have to find out the PQ. So you see actually PQR on the same straight line. So any two slopes of PQ, PR or OQ, understand? Or QR, they should be equal to minus 3 over 4. Understand? So just look at the unknowns on in which points. So obviously you can see the point P have a P, right? The Q have the small letter Q. So I will set up M, okay? P, not PQ but PR, okay, equal to minus 3 over 4. Set up this to calculate the P. So the same method, okay, the same format. And then you write P here, P, and then O here. So for the R, you do the minus first. P minus here negative 7, and then this is negative 12. So don't do the cross so quick. Understand? So do the cross now. So here, minus 3 times minus 12, okay, you have calculator. So here is 36 for P at 28, and then minus 28 to this side become A for P. Then P will be equal to 2, understand? So not difficult. So we still have a Q to calculate. So you can do it here. So I'll do it here. So for the Q, the unknown Q, you can consider the slope of QR, but not PQ. Okay, you can consider QR, and then it still have to equal to minus 3 over 4. Understand? So here, M QR equal to minus 3 over 4. Again, write the same format. So for the Q, you write minus 1 minus, and then Q minus, and then for the R, minus 7. For here is 12, understand? So here is 6, okay? Q minus 12 equal to minus 3 over 4, understand? And then do the cross. 6 times 4, understand? So remove the bracket. So minus 36 both sides, negative 12 on the right hand side. So the Q should be positive 4. This is actually not difficult, okay? Understand?
Yeah.
So go to question 6. Just read the words first. Find the value of K such that P, Q, R, these 3 points collinear. Understand? So how to do? You can write because P, Q, R are collinear. So you can choose any 2 slopes, right? But look at the points, look at the coordinates. I will choose just one point to involve K, but the other slope not involving K. So you can just have a simpler equation, understand? So I will choose M P Q equal to M, not QR, but PR. For PR, you have no K, understand? Then your equation will be more simpler to calculate, understand? So the format the same. So for the P, 22 minus 3 here, write the minus sign. And then for the Q, 8 and K, understand? And then for PR, you write this is 1, this is 6, minus, okay? And then here's 22, and then negative 3, understand? Before you do the cross, simplify first, okay? This is 16, minus 3, minus K, and then this is minus 21, and this is a 9, okay? Actually, I think you can do some simplification of this. Use a 3, okay, to cancel out some factors, understand? And then now you can do the cross. It's okay? So 21 plus 7K equal to, this is 48, minus 21 both sides, okay, minus K, and then this is 27, okay, divided 7 both sides, okay. You cannot have a nice number here, but it's okay. Understand?
Yeah.
So you have to choose which 2 points to use. Understand? Do not involve too many k's in the equation. Understand? So this is question 6. So one more. I'll go to question 8. Question 8. Consider the points A, B, and C. Write down 2 possible coordinates of C such that the 3 coordinates, okay, are collinear. So how to write down? So let's let, okay, C equal to a coordinate. We don't know the coordinate, but you can use unknown for about HK, okay. You can write HK, understand? So how to find 2 possible coordinates of C? You just by calculation, okay, you just write, because A, B, C are collinear. So we have MAB equal to MAC. Understand? So form an equation first, okay? For MAB, you do it first, okay? 10, 0 minus, and then here should be 0, 12, understand? For the AC, the same, 10, 0 minus H minus K. So here we have 2 unknowns, but no worry. This 10 minus 12, 10 minus H minus K. So here you can do some simplification first, like this. It's okay. So now you do the cross. Minus 5K equal to minus 6 times 10 minus H. So remove the bracket. Understand? So make this equations for the unknowns to be on the left hand side or right hand side, up to you. So make it like this. Okay. When you have this, we don't have the second equations, okay, but just one of these one equations like this. So how to find out h and k? Actually, there are so many values of h and k. You can fix any one of the unknowns, I mean the value, and then find the other one. So you can try. You can say if k equal to 1, okay, then you can try to find out the h. Okay, 16 equal to 5 times 1 plus 6h. Okay, 55 h equals 6h. Then h equal to this. Though it's ugly number, you can use it still. Understand? So the c coordinate could be 55 divided by 6 and then 1. So this is one possible. You can change the other. Okay, if k equal to, you can change to any other number. You can take it -1. Okay, don't make it 0. Understand? Then you have 60 equal to 5 times -1 plus 6h. Okay, go to this side, become 65 divided by 6, both sides. You can find an h. Okay, so the second possible value of the coordinates of c will be this. Understand? So this is question 8, and then go to the next page. Next page. So next page here, still you can see about 6 to 7 questions. Okay, I'll do. Let's start from question 10. So read the verse. A straight line L with slope 2 passing through A, this point. Find the x coordinate of L. So what does it mean? X intercept of L, meaning that L intercept the x-axis at which point? Understand? So you can say like this: let L, okay, intercept the x-axis at where? At a point we don't know. Let me call it P. Okay. So because this P is on the x-axis, okay, so one part of P here must be 0. It should be here, must be 0. Understand? So this part we don't know. We call it P. The small letter P. Understand? So what we have to find, we have to find out this letter, small letter P. This is the x coordinate of L. Understand? So if you use a graph, okay, you can try to mark a graph. Okay, A is 0 minus 4. We don't know. Let's say it's here. Okay, this is A. Understand? So actually we don't know P. Where's P, right? We don't know, but it's on the x-axis. So you put it here. Let's say this is P. Okay, then you join these points. Join these 2 points. You have L. Understand? We don't know whether this figure, okay, is correct, but just for reference. Understand? So this L, the slope M, is 2 given. Understand? So how to calculate this P? You can, when you have figure, everything will become easy. Okay, you calculate these 2 points, slope become 2. Okay, then you can calculate the P. So here, M AP equal to 2. Okay, so just form the formula 0p minus, okay, this is negative 4, then this is 0. Okay, 4 divided by p is 2, and then p actually equal to 2. Okay, let's check. Let me see. P0. Okay. Oh, I think it's okay because this is only for reference. Okay. Actually, this is not minus 4 here. Understand? Yeah, should be here, right? But it's okay. We can find the p. This p should be correct. Okay. So we have to answer the questions. So the x-intercept of L is 2. Okay. So next we go to question 13. So for question 13, I think I better draw the graph here. 0 x y. This is point A, which is 2k, and then here this is B. The coordinate positive 5, negative 1. This straight line we call L. So with the verse, okay, L has 2 points A and B. Okay, just show here. Understand? So where AB is 5, that AB is not slope but the distance, meaning that this distance equal to 5. Okay, not slope. Okay, so A quadrant 1 have to find K. So you use distance formula, not slope here. Understand? So distance formula, you write AB equal to 5 first. See, I don't write the M here, right? So for the distance formula, okay, you cannot forget. Okay, this is 2 minus 5. This is K minus negative 1. Okay, so we don't want this square root, so square both sides. On the right you have 25. So this is negative 3 square. It has become 9. Okay, and then you write this K plus 1 square. Understand? So don't expand it, you know. So K plus 1 square 16. Okay, you have K plus 1 equal to 4, or K plus 1 equal to negative 4. Okay, don't miss this. So K equal to 3 or K equal to minus 5. So one should be rejected. Okay, look at the figure here. The K here should be a positive one. It should not be negative. Understand? So we reject this. Okay, this is not valid. Understand? So this is A, and then B, find the slope of L. When you have K, you mark the 3 here. Okay, 2, 3, you mark here. So in order to find the slope of L, you just plug in these 2 coordinates, okay, into the formula. So I think it's very easy. Part B, slope of L, okay, meaning that ML is actually equal to MAB, right? So just write this. So for the A point first, 3, 2, minus, okay, and then minus negative 1, 5 here, okay, and then this is 4 above, and then here negative 3, and that's it. Understand? Yeah. So I'll do one more again. 14. Okay, 14. So it doesn't have a figure there, okay, but we can solve it by reading the verse first. P, Q, R, 3 points, right? So PQ equal to QR here is not mentioning the slopes, okay, but the distance, understand? And R lies on quadrant 4. So where's quadrant 4? Quadrant 4, it should be here, okay? R should be here. Quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4, understand? Quadrant 4 here, R is here. So for R is to be here, these two numbers, you have to know which one is positive, which one is negative, understand? Okay, so just look at the quadrant 4. Here, this number must be positive and this is negative, understand? Because the y coordinate is negative. So part A, we have to find out the coordinate, the value of k. So what you can use, you use PQ equal to QR, okay? So because this is for what? Their distance, right? So you write this 2 big square root so PQ, just look at the coordinates, okay? 5 minus 2, minus 5 minus 2, 3 minus 1, and then QR, okay? It should be 2 minus k, and then minus 1 minus negative 5, okay? So for the next step, we remove the square root, okay? Both sides have no square root, and then this should be 7 square, right? 49. And then here, 4 square, 16. Don't expand this, okay? And then for this, is also 16. Understand? So you see the two 16s cancel out, okay? You have 49 equal to 2 minus k square, understand? So how to calculate? You have to calculate 7, right? Or negative. Okay? This is 7. So you calculate the k to be negative 5, or this is minus 7. You calculate the k to be 9. Okay? So because this R is in quadrant 4, okay? The k is actually the y coordinate of R, right? So here is the k. The k here is negative, okay? So you find this k to be positive, so you reject this. So the final answer of k should be minus 5. Understand? So we have finally find this k. You can mark this k value on the questions, the R coordinate right there. Okay. Part B, are PQR collinear? So I think it's very easy because you're given 3 points, right? So you just have to check M, PQ, okay? Any two slopes, okay? For slopes, 3 minus 5 minus, okay? Here negative 1 and then 2. This is 4 above. 4 above negative 7, and then M, PR, again, positive 3, negative 5, minus, negative 5, the K should be negative 5 again. Oh, I'm sorry. Here, it should be, the K should be this one. The K should be this one. It's positive, so we reject this, not reject. We rejected negative 5, keep the 9, okay? Here. So here is 9. Here's 9. Okay? So here, you calculate. So here is 8, and then this is negative 14. Simplify it, you have 4 over minus 7. So they are the same actually. So you can write MPQ equal to MPR, okay? So PQ, R are collinear. Understand? So this is stage 2 questions, okay? I've done half for you, so you do the rest.